The animal of the day, April 29th, is the gharial or the binomial name Gavialis gangeticus. Type, crocodilian. Diet class, piscivory. Average lifespan, 40 to 60 years in the wild. Size, 8.9 to 20.5 feet or 2.7 to 6.3 meters in total length. Weight, 200 to 550 pounds or 90 to 250 kilograms. Population status currently April 29, 2025, critically endangered. Population estimate, 300 to 900 mature individuals. Native lands, the Indian subcontinent. Primary habitat, deep, fast-flowing freshwater rivers with sandy or muddy banks. Main predators, monitor lizards, marsh crocodiles, jackals, feral dogs, mongooses, otters, herons, kites, large fish and birds of prey for eggs and juveniles. Diel activity, diurnal. Species age, at most 3 million years old. Collective noun, a basque. Notes. The gharial, also known as the gavial or the fish-eating crocodile, is a crocodilian among the family Gavialidae and is among the longest crocodilian species to ever live. The evolution of the gharial and its relationship with and divergence from other crocodilians have been a subject of controversy. Some authors assumed that the gharial evolved earlier than the other crocodilians because of its distinct skull shape and dentition, indicating a more advanced level of specialization, while others suggest that it evolved much later than the other crocodilians, because of its low levels of blood protein divergence, which is a fact that it shares with the false gharial, and thus it was suggested that they form a sister group. In contrast, it was suggested that the gharial and all other crocodilians form a sister group as the structure of its tail muscles are unique. After a sequencing of a ribosomal segment of mitochondrial DNA of the gharial and false gharial, it was revealed that they share 22 unique nucleotides with a similarity of 94%, supporting the idea that they are a sister taxa. The Gavialis genus is thought to have originated in the region of India and Pakistan in the early Miocene epoch, and fossils of the gharial were excavated in the Shivalik hills of Haryana and Himachal Pradesh, which date between the Pliocene and the early Pleistocene epochs, and it was thought based on fossil locations that during the Quaternary epoch. Gavialis dispersed as far as Java through the Siva-Malayan route, which did not require saltwater crossings. The gharial is generally olive-colored, with adults being darker than young, which have dark brown cross bands and speckles, and its back will turn almost black at 20 years of age, but the belly will still be yellowish-white. The gharial has a very long and narrow snout that is widened at the end and possesses 27 to 29 upper teeth and 25 or 26 lower teeth on each side, with the front teeth being the largest. The snout of adult gharials are 3.5 times longer than the width of the skull's base, which allows it to efficiently catch and consume fish. To individual gharials in the weight range of 227 to 267 pounds or 103 to 121 kilograms had an average measured bite force of 401 to 451 pounds of force, or 1,784 to 2,006 newtons. The gharial is the most thoroughly aquatic crocodilian, only leaving the water to bask on riverbanks and then moving back into the water when it gets too hot. The gharial is well adapted to hunting fish underwater because of its sharp interlocking teeth and long narrow snout, which meets little resistance in the water, and it does not chew its prey but swallows it whole instead. Juvenile gharials have been found to jerk their heads back to maneuver fish into their gullets, sliding them in headfirst. Juvenile gharials have been found to prey upon insects, tadpoles, small fish, and frogs, while adults will also feed on small crustaceans, although remains of Indian softshell turtles were found in the stomachs of gharials. Gharials tear apart large fish and pick up and swallow stones as gastroliths, likely to aid digestion or regulate buoyancy, and there were stones weighing about 10 pounds or 4.5 kilograms in a gharial's stomach in the Sharda River. Every day is a new animal, so subscribe for more.